Hi, I'm JC from Cabinet Connection, and I will show you how to repair minor scratches. As you can see, here we have some minor things. So pretty much what we just need to do is with a can like this, it's a special repair lacquer. You can get it even at Home Depot or Lowe's. So you just need to shake it very well, the can. Make sure that the surface is clean from any oil or dust. And from 1 foot away, you need to spray it. You can do it inside your house. The smell will disappear in a couple minutes. And if you see, the problem will be minimized.